doesn't love pasta? I got a great recipe for spinach ravioli with goat's cheese and arugula pesto. First thing up, the pasta dough, and you will need the ingredients for that as follows: semolina, egg yolks, extra virgin olive oil, water and salt. Right, first thing up, semolina. Egg yolks, extra virgin olive oil, salt and water. As you can see, that's starting to bind now, so just going to incorporate the rest of the dough. You don't want to overwork the dough, you just want to get that nice dough consistency. That's it, folks. Let's take that out. What you want to do is to leave that to rest in the refrigerator, covered the shower cap. Obviously not mine, I've got no use for that. Leave it in the fridge for 1 hour. So while I'm waiting for the pasta, I'm going to make the arugula pesto. And for that, the ingredients you will need are as follows: basil, Parmesan cheese, pine nuts, sea salt, black pepper, olive oil and arugula. First up, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, basil, olive oil, just going to give that a zap before I have my arugula. Arugula, sea salt, pepper, zap it one more time, right, look at that. And now for the spinach. Olive oil, garlic, shallots. Give that a stir like so. Just want the shallots and the garlic to have a nice slightly golden brown crispy colour. Look at the colour on that, folks. Spinach. You don't want to overcook the spinach, you just want to have it slightly wilted. Sea salt, pepper, and that, my friends, is ready to go on the side to cook. Right. Look how beautiful that pasta is, folks. Right, to make it manageable, I'm going to cut it into 4. What I want to do, some flour, and to roll it into a uniform sausage space. Like so. So we're going to roll that out. Like so. Pasta machine on. Start off with number 10. So ease through like that. Right. Now, turn it down to number 9. Number 5. Just eases out that, folks. Look at that. Number 3. Keep it into manageable sizes, like so. And the next one, like so. Like that. Put them on there, like so. Now the easiest way to know where you want to marker the ravioli is to just put a little indentation in the dough, like so. Spinach. Goat's cheese. Look at that, folks. Egg wash around the sides. This helps the pasta dough to stick. Lift the pasta dough on top and just lay it over like so. Tucking in the sides. Just firm your hands around the ravioli so it all sticks around, just like so. Take your cutter in the flour around the outside. Like so. Look at us, folks. And we save the rest of this to make tagliatelle, spaghetti, angel hair. Drop the ravioli in piece by piece. Give it a stir to make sure that they don't stick together. The pasta's almost ready, and you can tell by just pinching on the side and tasting it, just like so. Right, get the pesto on the go. Plenty of pesto. Pop the pasta in gently. Strain off as much water as possible, just like so. Sprinkling of a little Parmesan cheese, and just lift it off and let the pesto coat it, just like so. Take it away. Lift off like so. Gently place them on the plate. Cover with a little pesto. Finish off with some nice basil leaves. Sprinkling of Parmesan cheese. A dash of black pepper. Look at that, folks. Wow. Wow. Proof is always in the tasting, my friends. Wow. goat's cheese, nice, slightly tart. Beautiful light fragrance from the basil. Spinach is always a favorite of mine. And that arugula pesto, wow, gives a real nice freshness to this dish.